We now present Tejko's hair transplant chair, which is specially designed for patients' comfort. We now show you a demo of the same. There are 3 parts in the chair which can be adjusted according to the patient's height and weight and comfort. We have back 3 steps wherein the person's arms can be rested and he can continue his work on the iPad or on a cell. The second adjustment is on the seat where the patient is sitting. Again, it's got 3 steps. So according to the height, you can get it lower. And third and most importantly is also the headrest, wherein there's a lever. Now we can also adjust the headrest with a screw and a lever. As you can see, he's adjusting it. He's let loose, and according to the patient how lower you want to get, you can adjust it and then just lock it. So he's now locked it and the patient can sit comfortably. There is an adjustable lock behind for this portion, that is the chest or the back side of the patient. He'll just show you now. You can just to lower or raise, and then just lock it accordingly. We now show you how the patient is benefited by sitting on this chair. His knees are bent and getting a rest, his hands and arms are getting a rest, and he's in a comfortable head position wherein you can do the extraction. Yeah, this is the dismantled piece of our hair trans chair, which has 3 parts, so it's easy to carry and portable. Now we will show you how to fix it as a whole chair. Is now the headrest is being fixed and adjusted. In 10-15 seconds, you can fix the chair and it's ready to use. Yeah.